All right, so we're super close, guys. We're down to the last bolt, I think, and it should come out. I've acquired the services of my boy, and hopefully the dash is gonna come out. We'll see in a second here. All right, so what I'm working on right now is just disconnecting the switch panel. It's actually mounted to the dash, so I don't have to remove it. I just gotta disconnect the wire, so that'll allow me to pull the dash and get to the ECU. So what I'm doing is I'm just labeling the wires. Obviously each toggle switch has 2 wires. So what I've done is I've grouped the wires together, I've labeled them, and then this way there's no thought for what the wires are come the rewire. So I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna throw everything into a time lapse here. All right, so we're super close, guys. We're down to the last bolt, I think, and it should come out. I've acquired the services of my boy, and hopefully the dash is gonna come out. We'll see in a second here. Okay, let's see. Is that the last piece that was holding it? No? No? What the? Okay, we'll be right back. Maybe there's one more bolt. All right, so it was, we were missing one bolt. There's a little bolt right above the column, which I forgot. So once we loosen that up, it's gonna allow this frame to slip forward, and then she should come out. Okay, I loosened up the last little bolt. Let's get it out. Okay. Lift. Easy, good.
Wait, there's wires here.
What's attached? Oh, nothing's attached, just hooked on. What do we got here? We're good. Left. Thank you. Just want to give you guys a closer look of all the wiring behind the dash and the importance of labeling everything. The fuse panel got mounted over here. It's in line with the glove box, which is gutted. So once the glove box opens, this is fully exposed to all the fuses and relays. So that works out nice. The ECU is hanging here on this little aluminum bracket. So I'm gonna start peeling everything back and keep moving forward. So back to time lapse, so we go. So I've already pushed the rubber grommet through. I just got a bunch of zip ties that I got to cut off just to make it easier to get all these wires through. through there. All right, so I got my oil pressure sensor, so still hooked up. Okay, I got the oil sensor off, so I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to feed all this through. So far, so good. Got a couple big plug heads here, so maybe I'll push those through first. Kind of like the wiring harness wants to go all together, so that's the tricky part. Just get some of these bigger heads through. Okay. I think we might be in the clear. All right, guys, I'm calling it for today. I'm done. These awkward positions that you got to put yourself in, they're not friendly, but I did get the dash out. I got the big stuff wiring harness out. I got the race pack dash wiring out as well. Everything that needed to be removed is out now. I got a few more little wires to just fish out, but nothing huge. This was the big guy. Other than that, I got a huge cleanup job to do inside the car, put the tools away. Otherwise, smash the subscribe button, help me grow the channel. You guys know I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and I'll see you again here on DaFox.